Hey guys! Today we will draw a cat. First, we start by drawing its head. Make it nice and round so it looks cute. Next, I add the ears and the nose. It looks pretty nice already. Then, I draw the eyes and a small smile so our cat looks friendly. Now we can draw the body. It will be a well-fed cat with little legs. The body should be big and round. Add the small puffs. Then add a big tail behind the body. You can make the tail a little curved. Now it's time to color. I color my cat in gray, blue and red. You can use any colors you like and make your cat unique. This is a special cat and it looks awesome. Subscribe for more animals to draw and have fun drawing with me. Bye!